Alright then, Thomas. I would like you to do— Oh, god damn it, he left. They're pushing me! They're pushing me!
Oh my goodness, this is funny.
Don't worry, I'll go get the breakdown train.
Get ready for the most funniest part.
Goodness. Oh, thank God you're here. Help me. It's been so long. Wait, how did the crane get here? The magic of video editing. Oh, hey, I remember you. Screw you.
I think it's the end of it. I think I had enough of this one day. I'll just chill out by going for a walk. It's a nice and lovely day with me walking at the park. And I think I might say hello to everyone around. Oh my gosh. I was about to say, when a huge explosion occurred somewhere around the park. Hang on a minute, there's trouble at the bank. I wonder if there's a robbery or something. I need to find out what is happening there.
Thank God you are here. There's a bank robbery at this bank. I can't waste that moment. Could you help me call the police, please? Because I don't have a phone. Can you help me, please?
Okay, Mr. Bank Manager, stay here while I get help. Well, I don't have much money. How am I going to get a police car? What can I do? I got it. There is a police car parked outside. Don't worry, Mr. Bank Manager. I got a police car.
Thanks again for rescuing an egg from falling off my nest, Yellow. You're welcome, Blue. What the fluffy feathers is going on? Is there a crime scene happening? Wait, how did the police car got here?
The magic of video editing. Oh hey, you should thank me for calling the police.
Girl!